I'm Scott with Window Cleaning Warehouse, and today we're going to take a look at the DryWalker Flex. So here's what's in the box. Got the hip bucket itself, and the base of the box is the additional squeegee holster compartments. Okay, so here we have the DryWalker Flex as it comes out of the box, and you'll notice at the back here you've got the squeegee holsters, and there's one on each side, and at the front is what you might recognise as a more traditional hip bucket. Now you can take the hip bucket off, and just by using this quick release button here, and interchange it with this additional piece, which turns it into a double squeegee holster. So here we have it as a double squeegee holster. You can also release the drip tray on the bottom quickly, which stops you from getting a wet leg by catching all the water, and then you can just quickly empty that by pushing down on the plastic panel in there. This all goes back together quickly just by clicking it all back into place, and as I said before, you can quickly interchange these out. So you've got the option of using it in those two ways. Now you'll notice you can actually quickly release the clip from your belt also, so if you want to take that off and put it on, you've got the parachute clip here, and the taper on the back here just holds it away from your leg so it's not knocking constantly, and it allows it to keep it vertical so the water doesn't spill from the drip tray on the bottom. So when you have this as a double squeegee holster, you'll notice that the compartments are quite big, which means they don't just fit the Moerman squeegees, they'll fit most squeegees on the market. Same applies for the hip bucket. There's quite a lot of room in there, so most washers will fit in there. The whole unit is really light. It's actually only 500 grams, and this taper on the back just allows it to keep away from your leg, so as you're moving it's not going to swing too much, and you're not going to get covered in water, and then you can quickly release the drip tray when needed to empty that out. So that's just a quick look at the Moerman DryWalker Flex. You'll find more videos like this on our website.